Come on. You can get it. Boy, you got burping down. Come on.
You can do it.
Get those leggies going. Yeah, get them going. Come on.
It's not the legs, just positive. It's her arm.
Come on. Just to push yourself up, not stretch out.
Come on, you can do it. There. Yeah, look at that. See? Is that easier? Yeah. Of course, now you're pushing yourself backwards, but hey. That's the first time she's done that.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that better?
You can look around now. Look at that. Yeah. Keep moving your arms. Keep moving your arms. Oh, you're moving. You're moving.
At least she's not screaming this time. You're okay. You're doing good.
You're going to get it, go girl. You're going to get it.
You're okay. Oh. Arms. Come over your arms. Okay, come here. Oh, dear. You did a good job.